Operation Medicine Cabinet Cleanout is an opportunity for everyone in the community to take a look in their medicine cabinets and get rid of old, unused, expired medications and bring them to your local police department where you can safely and environmentally responsibly dispose of them. There will be people at the police stations during those hours between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. This is monitored. This is done in conjunction with several different Fairfax County agencies as well as the DEA. And it's crucially important to clean out that medicine cabinet. This is a great opportunity to do it. Talk to your friends, neighbors, relatives, and loved ones and let them know about the operation too. For more information on Operation Medicine Cabinet Cleanout, go to the CSB website and do a search for Operation Medicine Cabinet Cleanout.